Hi, today I'm going to tell you on how you can keep your cryptos safe. 4 really simple rules that will help keep your cryptos absolutely safe. The first is absolute secrecy. Don't go out broadcasting the fact or advertising the fact that you invest in cryptos. Don't tell your friends that, don't post it on social media. The only people who need to know are your closest relatives, maybe your wife and maybe your accountant, because after all he files your returns. So rule number 1, do not advertise the fact that you invest in cryptos. Rule number 2, if someone is making an offer that is too good to be true, it is too good to be true. There are a number of scams in this space. Scams that promote really high interest rates, for you and offer for you to stake your cryptos. 2 is there are lotteries. 3 are there are giveaways and contests. 4 is there are these usual picture-in-picture scams that happen in YouTube with videos of prominent crypto influencers like Michael Saylor and Vitalik using their old videos. Please do not participate in any such activity. They are usually scams, and if something is too good to be true, it is a scam. So stay away from scams. 3 is that always use two-factor authentication. Whenever you're logging into your exchange, make sure that you have your two-factor authentication made live. Preferably use a Google Authenticator because SMSs can be hacked. So this is a better way to actually authenticate and enter into your favorite favorite crypto exchange. And the last and the most important rule is use hardware wallets. The basic rule of crypto is not your keys, not your coins. So unless you have custody of your coins, please, it's the best way to actually keep your crypto safe. Now I know it is a little tedious, but that's the way you actually have most security for your coins. Preferably buy your hardware wallet directly from the vendor. Don't buy it from an e-commerce company, which usually uses the other vendors. So buy directly from a Trezor or a Ledger, so that you are safe, that you're getting it directly from the manufacturer. So that's about it, guys. The 4 golden rules are secrecy, avoid scams, use two-factor authentication, and lastly, use hardware wallets wherever possible. Thank you.